Hi everyone, my name is Kelsie from the DoSeum here in San Antonio, and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic: how to protect each other from viruses. Viruses are a type of germ that's found all over the earth. There are many different kinds, like flu, colds, and coronavirus. Vaccines are a very powerful tool for protecting our own bodies from viruses. But how does that keep everyone safer? Let's find out. If you've already gotten your COVID-19 vaccine, well done. And more importantly, thank you. Why am I thanking you for getting the vaccine? Because by you getting vaccinated, it also helps to protect me, your neighbor, your family, and your friends. It's called community immunity. Let's think of a group of people. Now, let's say there's a new virus that can make people sick. Scientists and healthcare workers work together to create a vaccine to help protect us from the virus. Then this person gets vaccinated, and then this person, and then this person, and so on and so on. If 5 people out of this group of 100 get vaccinated, then they're protected from the virus. But most of the community can still get sick. The virus will just kind of hang around because only a few people are protected from the virus. If one person in that group coughs or sneezes, the droplets can reach someone who hasn't been vaccinated yet. The virus has plenty of people to infect. It won't go away. But now, let's say 95 out of 100 people are vaccinated. They are protected from the virus. If this person gets infected, then they are surrounded by people who have been vaccinated and are protected. Now the virus can't spread. Even people who can't be vaccinated still have some protection because the virus won't spread in the group. But we still need to keep up with masking and good hand washing to protect everyone. The community has immunity. A long time ago, the United States used vaccines to build community immunity. Let's take a look at that story from our history. In the 1950s, there were thousands of cases of polio every year. And then a vaccine was invented and many people began to get vaccinated. 10 years later, there were less than 100 cases of polio. 20 years later, there were less than 10. Thanks to the vaccine and so many people getting vaccinated, there has not been even one case of polio that started in the United States in over 40 years. Together, we created community immunity against polio. And now we're trying to do the same thing again. Create community immunity against COVID-19. To get community immunity, it all starts with each person's choice to get vaccinated. From polio to COVID-19, when everybody in the world gets vaccinated, we not only protect ourselves, but we protect each other. We are helpers, and we can and have to do this together. So now that we know about vaccines and how together we can help to keep each other safe from viruses, how can we make sure that we are making smart decisions based on correct information? We'll explore the answer to that question in our next video. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, let's stick together.